Hello mga kateknik, ngayon dumating na ang bago kong tools galing sa Shopee. Pero bago po ang lahat, intro muna tayo. Welcome back mga kateknik. Bago po ang lahat, pakipindot po sa subscribe button at isama na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong upload na tutorials. Okay, balik na tayo. Ito yung ino-order kong short killer at sana magtagal ito. Pero may tiwala naman ako kay mechanic dahil maganda naman ang mga product nila. Ito yata ang model iShort Pro. Short Pro. So, ito yung specs 1 second confirm, super current, short circuit disassembly, heating removal. Iwan ko kung paano to gamitin. Pag-aralan ko muna ito at tamang-tama meron dito na basa sa tubig mag-auto off ang unit at parang may umiinit sa loob. Ito matesting ko na itong short killer ko. Okay, buksan na natin. Tara! Habang nagbubukas tayo, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa bago kong subscriber na si Dexter Conuy. Ayan po, paki-visit po sa YouTube account niya at pa-subscribe na din. At sa gusto magpa-shoutout dyan na kagaya, kung small YouTuber din, comment kayo kung gusto nyo din i-shoutout. At huwag din ninyong kalimutan ang inyo lingkod, pakipindot na din sa subscribe button at isama na din si notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa bag kong upload.
I can't please these people. Throw it all up on the scale to find the lesser evils. Just to come to terms with every little sin is equal. Had to learn to let it go and somehow walk away. Can't let them trick me at my spot, I got a lot at stake. Constantly checking my ego, doing what it takes. They might dinner play a spirit, but I'll never break. God got me, they hate me, but still watch me. No fly zone, but I'm having an out of body. Young Riley, better known as I move wisely. Can't knock the hustle is deep inside of me. I might let a hater slide on a good day. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, can you feel me? Long as we living our lives, then it's okay. Everything is okay. I might let a hater slide on a good day. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, can you feel me? Long as we living our lives, then it's okay. Everything is okay. Stacking money to the ceiling and depend on how I'm feeling. I might pull up and buy a couple baskets for the building. For them it ain't no limit, cause you know I love the children. Can feel it in my spirit, I know they can see the difference. Yeah, they gon' let me know when you faking. Written all over your face when you hating. Throwing positive vibes, I'm just happy I'm alive. Trying to feed you knowledge, have a little taste, fam. Working on my higher self, tranquility, money, wealth. Heart cold, my heart melt for my loved ones I love to death. I might let a hater slide on a good day. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, can you feel me? Long as we living our lives, then it's okay. Everything is okay. I might let a hater slide on a good day. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, can you feel me? Long as we living our lives, then it's okay. Everything is okay. I had to learn to let it go.
Bago po magtapos ang videong ito, inanyayahan ko po kayo na panoorin din po ang iba kong video. At ganun na din po. At huwag nyo po kalimutan pag-hit ang comment section. Subscribe button kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko. At notification bell po para updated kayo palagi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.